Canal Street haul. Like you could be my personal shopper. Before Nicki Minaj fell off. Okay, guys, welcome back to part 2 of my Canal Street haul. Okay, let's go in the second box. Now, this box doesn't have as many, like, designer boxes, because she definitely told me, like, most of them don't come in the boxes, but she definitely did her big one by getting me as many boxes as she can. And, by the way, I'm not going to say some of these items aren't from the Canal Street haul, like the vendors, but she definitely let me know that she got her hookup, okay? You know, the ladies, the Chinese ladies with the little folder. Baby, she said she got her little hookup. So most of these items definitely came from, like, the little hookups that she got. Okay? So my next one is this, okay, sorry, I got excited. Y'all don't understand how much I love YSL Saint Laurent. I have, perfume is, I love the perfume in general, but when I seen this bag, it just looks so scrumptious, especially with the, let's take this gold, this wrapping off, especially silk like that. That just make me so like, ooh. So I got the YSL tags, of course. I should probably take this off so I can open it all the way for real. So cute. And then, you know, I'll close it back. I didn't realize that the YSL, like the L is what closes it. This go with my outfit too, y'all. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, can't wait to do something and wear this. I'm be going out. I'm lying. I'm a homebody. I'm be going out when I want to go out. And honey, if I don't, oh well. Okay, next thing. Oh, yes, girl. She got my YSL shades, honey. Because I was like, I want the shades. Okay. Oh, you trying to see me wearing? Because I thought somebody see it, something. I thought somebody see it, son. Baby, you can't tell me nothing. Can't even see you with these shades on. Okay, I'm gonna behave. Okay. Next is my Louis Vuitton. Obviously you could tell with that mark there. That's like, okay, girl, that's a little mistakey. This is really cute. I like this color because I didn't want to do black and brown of everything. So it's cream, and like it looks like blue, but it should be black. So, oh, this is they got stickers in here, and then this is for the glasses. Okay, the next thing is this Dior little card reader wallet thing, super cute. So obviously the wallet has the Christian Dior card on the inside. You know what I'm saying? Very cute. I really like this pattern. This is one of the ones that I was super obsessed with. Wanted something little, you know, mixture of little and big, you know what I'm saying? And obviously my other wallet is bigger. Okay, the next bag I got, hold on, y'all. Okay, so the next bag I got, oh, y'all already seen it. Okay, so the next bag I got was the Never Full Love a Good Speedy. I definitely said I wanted to get a legit Speedy, you know what I'm saying? Oh, this smells like leather. Love that smell. And it comes with like a little bag on the inside as well. But obviously, you know, I also got the wallet. So, and they match pretty well. Really cute. You guys, I'm so freaking excited about the Never Full. It's pink on the inside because I'm a pink girly, love pink. Somebody told me, girl, you do pink a lot. I'm sorry. I guess I was confided as a child. My parents would let me paint my room pink. So now everything is pink. Love it though. Oh, this bag is so cute. I'm definitely going to be rocking this like an everyday bag. You know what I'm saying? Throw this right on over my shoulder real quick. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Very cute. Love it. And then it has these little things right here on the side. I guess it's so that you could pull the bag on the inside. Hold on. Let me see if I remember how they used to do this. They used to push the bag in like on the inside. I don't know. We'll figure it out later. But this one is super cute. Okay, let's go to the next bag. Let me put all these inside first. I want to keep all the things together. Okay, damn. Okay. Next bag. Ooh, 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 ooh. That's the bottom. Oh, there's. Oh, I didn't realize I got this many bags. Oh, this came straight out. Oh, my second favorite. Yes, you guys, I wanted this one. Super cute. It goes with my wallet, as you can tell from the earlier video. If y'all watched part 1, go back and watch part 1. So I got the wallet to match. Obviously has straps on the inside and on the outside. But me being me, I'm probably going to use the inside straps because I like the shorter ones. They're so freaking cute. It's so fat. Love it down. Okay, the next item, you guys, is a Louis Vuitton fanny pack. So I love wearing a good fanny pack. Sometimes I don't want to, you know, have a purse. I definitely like having a fanny pack right here. Just throw all my things in. I know where everything is. So I definitely got an all black Louis Vuitton fanny pack. Now with this one, you could definitely see a few pointers like here. The string is, you know, needs to be cut. Down here, the string also, can you see it? There you go. It needs to be cut. But other than those few little things, you really can't tell. But I also really needed a fanny pack. So on the inside, it looks really nice. It has all the legit paperwork or cards and stuff. Very cute. I like it. Okay, the next and the final item, you guys. Oh, this is one of my favorite ones because I'm also obsessed with this pattern. So it's Dior. And this is the final bag. I love this Christian Dior bag, you guys. It's so cute. It obviously comes with a little wristlet, you know what I'm saying? If I just want to have my stuff, my little wristlet on, have my bag and stuff. Very cute. It just feels like I don't know, it just feels like those woven, I don't know how to explain it. It's a pattern. I don't know. It just feels like one of those reusable bags, not in a bad way, but just like very thick quality, very good quality, like, you know, not the plastic reusable ones, like the cloth reusable ones. It just feels really good and I like it. It says Christian Dior on there. Yes, you guys, so this makes everything the last thing on my Canal Street haul unboxing. I'm gonna try to fit everything that I got in the Canal Street haul. You got, ooh, I'm gonna put all my shades, my stunner shades, baby. What? You can't tell me nothing. I hope you guys enjoy my Canal Street haul. And if you don't live nowhere near New York and you don't feel like taking a trip to go to New York to get you some stuff off Canal Street, go hit my girl Cindy up here on TikTok and see if she can get you a good hookup. Because, honey, I'm about to be hitting her back up before y'all do too much. I'm going to have to go back and get some more items that I really like that are so freaking cute. But I'm so excited, you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys love it. Because, listen, we are on our journey of becoming the girl that we know we are. Not who you think we are. We know we are. I am exactly who I think I am, baby. Kiki, you could be my personal shopper. I'm Sierra Michelle, Sierra Lewinsky. Anyways, I'm geeked. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.